Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I am Britt, and I am here to teach you all things about how to make money online. But today's course is going to be talking about Viral View and what Viral View can do for your Amazon influencer business. For those of you who don't know, this is a Chrome extension or an extension you can get on a laptop or desktop to be able to show the best products for you to review to be able to maximize profits. So let's get into it.
All right, so this is your Amazon page. This is the Amazon homepage. And as you can see up here, we have the Chrome extension. When you pull that down, what's nice about it is it does have a few different options to be able to click. This is a clickable view of getting to your storefront, your creator studio, your associate central, whatever you need, even if it's the community page that they have when you get into Viral View. What's nice about this is that as an Amazon influencer, I myself, and maybe you're different, but I myself have found it hard to be able to get to and from, and then you have so many pages open because you don't necessarily want to close out any because you might need to check it. So that's what's nice about this, having that Chrome drop down, you can just easily click your storefront, and that storefront is going to be there for you to view. One of the toggles on here right here is going to make it so your viral view status comes up. The status I always like to keep up because I like to make sure, even as I'm doing my regular shopping, I want to see what products are going to be best. And I'm going to explain what I mean by that. But obviously, you can turn it off if you prefer to shop without it. Like I said, I'm always going to want it on because I want to be able to see what the best purchase would be, especially if I'm not super dependent on brand or product. If I am looking for owl decoys and this one is the best option for me, then that's what I'm going to pick. I don't necessarily need to have a specific brand of owl in my garden. So as you can see, some of this is loading. I have pretty slow internet here, but you'll get the idea. When you have all of these different options on here, scroll down a little bit, you can see right here that all of these videos that I have, this canopy, beach canopy, is on both the upper and lower carousel. One thing to keep in mind, and I know with my Amazon Money Master course, I teach everyone to review everything. If you have in your house, if you have a product in your house, at that point, you might as well review it. You already have it. You don't have to purchase it. And even if the score is going to be a 44, which is a little bit lower than what you would do, it doesn't matter because you already have it in your house. In this case, this was a free product, and I got paid to do the review. So although the score was a little bit lower, there were also benefits because I got paid to do the free video. So that's a really big thing here, but it's very, very easy to kind of break up and do that. But I am going to go back to the shopping feature to show you what it looks like when you're shopping. So let's say I am in the need for this steamer for clothes. And when I have that VioView extension on, this is what's going to pop up. And as you can see here, this has a viral score of 53. I do have a video on this, again, another freebie, but it is on the top and it is showing that it's a moderate score. So the level when you talk about the score is from 1 to 100. And so 100 being the absolute best product, you're going to for sure make money on that product given how many items sell and how many influencer videos there are and a lot of other factors that get tied into it with the analytics behind it that make up this score. 53 is not a bad score. It's moderate. It's in yellow, not necessarily in green, but it's not in red either. So it doesn't necessarily hurt. Another really cool feature that when you're shopping, let's say I'm pretty sure that I wanted this steamer, but I wanted to double check. I have this piece over here that is going to do a complete drop down of the best viral score. So you can do it from ascending, descending, whatever you want. But this is the best steamer for clothes to get with the viral score. It's a viral score of 89. And there's so many other different things that you can see to see why you would pick that. And these are all the columns that kind of go into the decision for that viral score. So that's a really huge factor of it. It kind of helps to be able to see, okay, yeah, I'm looking at this option, but is this the best option? If I wouldn't have gotten it for a freebie and I would have been trying to purchase one on my own, I probably would have went with one of these guys, 89, 84, 84. There may be less influencer videos on them. There may be more sales on them. So the viral view score is kind of a combination of everything. So when you look at this, This makes your life a lot easier. Before, you would have been kind of taking a guess, a shot in the dark. This is the analytics pulled from the Amazon site to show you why this is the best video, and that's what the best video would be for your increase in sales as an Amazon influencer. Also, another feature of this is going to be the Creator Hub. So let's head over to the Creator Hub and check it out. So what's nice about this is this page is going to showcase so many different things that before I was kind of taking a stab in the dark. I wasn't 100% sure which videos were doing well. And if I wanted to actually know which videos were on placement, I would have to click into each individual video. So if I wanted to see if I was on, this is my step 2 mud kitchen cover. If I wanted to see if I was actually on there, I'd have to click on the product, go to the videos, whereas before or right now, I can see that I am on the bottom. I'm on the bottom carousel. Now, there may not be an upper carousel, but regardless, it's showing you that. Another really cool feature is if, let's say, I get down to some of the videos that I haven't refreshed in a while, but we all know as an Amazon influencer, storage on phones can be a huge issue. So what's nice about this is I could download this video. If let's say I haven't uploaded it in a while, I want to refresh it, I have the ability to download that. Again, like I said, my internet's slow, but there is where the download is. And you have the ability to then upload that same video, refresh everything if you need to be seen and put more likely to be put on the upper and lower carousel because it's a newer video. So that's what's really, really cool about this is that it shows you the placement, gives you the option to download the video. You can also download the thumbnail if you want the same thumbnail as well. So it's a really, really cool feature. As you can see, if you're watching it on my screen, this viral view tab is slowly analyzing every single video. If you have better internet than me, it's probably going to fastly analyze all of your videos. So I have, I think 800, close to 800 videos, 794 videos. So it's going to scan each one. And what your goal is that this number is the lowest possible number. If you have 900 videos and 700 of them are on neither of them, that's when you know you have an issue. Where now I can just get a real time number right here. If I wanted to get that information without this, I would have had to go into every single product, see if I was on the video, and that takes time. That takes time that you don't have when you want to be making passive income. So that's a really cool feature here. It's slowly updating. I know last time I checked when I was on here, I was closer to the 200 videos that were not on placement. And so that's the ones that I'm slowly working through to be able to completely get that down to a manageable level to start redoing some of those videos and start getting my daily sales higher and higher and higher. So no matter if you want Viral Views paid plans or if you want their plans that are $0, there is a plan for everyone. So I'm pulling that piece up, and that's what's really nice about this is that you can have a 0-month plan. It gives you the Chrome extension overlay, top and bottom carousel data, video placement data, and storefront scanner. So that's a really great product regardless, and it's free. It's something that you would be able to download the extension, get it for free, but there's also other options here. So along with everything for free, you also get the Chrome extensions, sale estimates, order history scanner, and storefront spy. The order history scanner means that in your history of anything that you've ordered with this Amazon account, what your friends have ordered, you'll be able to scan and see if there are good products because although you're kind of doing everything that's in your house, there's no guarantee that you have hit every single item and maybe not every single item that was the best. So if you gave Christmas gifts away to your kids or to your niece and your nephew, and you want to be able to see, okay, this is an 100 score, I already bought it. Maybe they've let me make a video of it. Now you can go that far if you want, but you don't have to. But it's another really good feature. Another thing here is the storefront spy. So although sometimes people like to use this, you don't want to obviously replicate what another creator is doing, but sometimes it's nice to kind of see the real time pieces of that. So if I had this storefront spy, let's say I'm going to my account, I can see what videos are doing the best, and you would be able to see this for anyone's storefront. So once you get on that storefront, you'll be able to see what one of their products are doing good. If there is a top seller and you want to do the video on that, that's an option as well. But the storefront spy is a feature that you can use with this Viral View starter package. Then there is also going to be the Pro plan. That's everything with the starter, private Facebook community, products viral finder, and the ASIN viral finder, web app premium video tracker, and total influencer video data point. So as you grow throughout your business, you can see you can see the want for that free, but then there's going to become a time where you're starting to make some serious money and might want to update to the starter and then the professional plan. What this is something that we haven't necessarily talked about. So I have the pro plan now, and as you can see here, there's the ASIN and products. And so what's nice is there's a lot of, give and take. Obviously, you're doing your regular shopping and things like that. When you're doing your regular shopping, you want to pick the best option that they have. However, nothing really tells you what the best option is that maybe you're not looking for. And that's what this does. So the Apple 2024 Mac Mini Desktop is a viral score of 100 for various different reasons. Again, there is a ton of different things in here. Shows that there's no videos on there, and there can be. It could be your video on there. And that's what makes it super, super easy to be able to do that. There's no more research that has to go into it, hours and hours of research to see which one would be best. You can just look at these options. And again, this one's $5.29, but you can do the $40 ones. This is an everlasting comfort memory foam something. Okay, whether you want a knee pillow or not, you can get a great video on it, and that's going to be key for success to be able to have that. And so that's a really cool feature that pro plan. But like I said, definitely start with the free plan, see if it's right for you, watch your sales continue to grow, and that's going to be the best thing.
So as you can see, Viral View is going to be huge. It is going to be a huge factor in your success of increasing your daily sales, increasing, so much more monthly sales, but then also decreasing your workload. So that's huge. I know how I spent multiple hours trying to look for products that were really good to review. Viral View looks and gets the statistics that you need to be able to make an informed decision about what is actually going to be the best product. And like I said, today is going to be an overview. So we are actually entering into a multi-part series. The multi-part series will kind of be determined by you guys. If there are different things that you want to see, make sure to put them in the comments. Also, make sure to go ahead and grab that link. That link is going to bring you to the Viral View homepage where you can sign up for your free account. As always, also make sure to like and subscribe because you can get future updates of everything I'm going to do in this multi-part series to show you how to make more money online with Viral View as an Amazon influencer. And I look forward to seeing you back on my channel for all things passive income.